are off to Riverside House in Loddon. Lovely little place it is. Piling, 100 mil piles, only 5 metres deep to get a 50 kN load. Set. Good afternoon, peeps. I'd like to apologise to all our fans out there for not supplying a video lately, getting a bit tied up. We're in a lovely picturesque place in Loddon, as you can see. Might have a game of tennis later, depends how well we do on the job. I'll just show you what we're doing. We're out here installing 100 mil piles in 10 positions around about 5 metres deep. I'll just show you what the lads are doing. Say hi, lads. As you can see, working hard as ever. Dream team. I'm very happy. They're working and I'm not doing much. The way it should be. Well, that's for me for now, and I'll speak to you soon. So these are the lads lifting the old rhino on, and that's how you do it. Say hello, guys. Hey, everybody. Hey. Just a smile, Ryan. What's the saying? Only smiling when we're piling.
Smiling when you're piling, Jake. Right up, mate. Right, number 7. That's me, up the go, mate.
That's how you screw the pile on. Professional. Well done, Aid. Top man, AD. Top man. So, me again. Now, I've just read a message off of my video clip producer, Sean, who kindly does all our video clips. Good job he does too. But he's been moaning that I didn't do any landscape for him. So, here you are, Sean. Keep you happy, mate. This is the back of the house at Loddon. Beautiful place. And as you can see, we're coming up to the tennis court over in the corner. And there's the house that we'll be doing the piling for. Hello, Aid. Hello, Ryan. Me again. Twice in one day, and you lucky. We have managed to do 57 metres of piles in 3/4 of a day. So well done to the lads. Well done, team.
Hey!
And that's us done. Over and out.